A new trend that spread on TikTok could be helping people who have attention deficit disorder.
It is called brown noise, which is kind of a strange name. Some users say the sounds help them focus and manage their symptoms, but there's not a lot of research on it. NBC News Digital reporter Maya Eaglin has a look in today's mental health check.
There's a new trend making noise on social media.
I just remember, putting it on, and my focus was immediately boosted. It was fascinating.
Nick Hawbreaker has been posting his journey with ADHD to TikTok since 2020. His first viral video, a TikTok on using brown noise, which has been viewed more than 22 million times.
It's insane the way it blew up, and it was able to help so many people.
Nick is one of the many people with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder who feel that listening to external audio stimulation can improve focus. And he's not alone. The hashtag brown noise has racked up more than 100 million views on TikTok. You may already be familiar with white noise, a combination of sound which includes every frequency the human ear can hear. It can often sound like static from a TV, but brown noise is a series of lower frequency noises that can sound like wind, heavy rain, or even the hum of a plane.
The way the brain takes advantage of random noise is that it piggybacks on it to improve its focus, improve attention. Essentially amplifies the target signal by loaning the brown noise to the target signal.
8% of Americans 18 to 44 have been diagnosed with ADHD. But is brown noise actually better for helping with its symptoms, which include inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity? While there are some studies showing a correlation between focus and listening to brown noise, many experts are conflicted.
There's, at least when it comes to ADHD, almost no research on brown noise versus white noise. The special thing about brown noise or white noise is it's cheap and simple. And so if it works, then that's tremendous news for people that need a boost.
Brown noise is clarity on caffeine. It's the clarity and the clearness of understanding what you have to do and being in this perfect place to be able to do it.
Peter Shankman is a podcast host and author who gives tips on living with ADHD.
When did you find out that you had ADHD?
So I was diagnosed late. I wasn't diagnosed in my mid-30s, and everything started to make sense, right? My acting out in school, my making jokes at the expense of interrupting the class, all that stuff was to get extra dopamine and serotonin and adrenaline, the things that your brain doesn't make.
He hopes that sharing his experience will make talking about having attention deficit hyperactivity disorder less taboo.
We don't talk enough about mental health in this country by a long shot, and I'm hoping to change that. I don't consider myself diagnosed. I consider myself gifted with ADHD.
Peter says he even chose to write one of his books on a plane because that naturally occurring brown noise made him focus better.
What I realized over time when I first started discovering brown noise is that the engines freeze something in me, that opens something in me, that lets me work even faster than normal.
Despite the lack of research on brown noise, Nick says he's confident that the reception he's gotten is proof of this trending tool's benefits.
Would you recommend people try using brown noise?
100%. I mean, if you have ADHD, 110%. If you don't have ADHD, I think the benefits could extend to you. The feedback we get online is quite obvious as to how helpful it can be.
Wow, Maya joins us now. We're both listening intently to this story. It's so interesting.
Super interesting.
You mentioned conflicting research or not so much research on brown versus white noise. So is there any danger? Is there any downside to trying it?
So short answer is no. Dr. Joel says listening to anything super loud for long periods of time can be dangerous to your hearing in the long term, but it's free, it's easy to access, so I would say give it a shot if you're curious.
So we were talking earlier. You said there's white noise, there's brown noise, there's pink noise.
Yep.
How do you know? How do you know what works best?
So it's really about trial and error here. The good thing is they're all on YouTube. You can listen to them on Spotify. Test out which ones help you focus, help you fall asleep. Some of them have relaxing properties. Some of them are just for focus. So it's up to you.
So they're all different frequencies?
Yes,
Is that it?
all different frequencies for the human ear.
All right.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Maya Eaglin, thank you for that.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.